Hello, welcome to Bloom Art by SW. I'm Shanaz. Some people call me Shaz, but I really don't mind. So this one, I don't know if you've been watching, I've been doing some testing out some black watercolor paper, which I will go into another time, but I'm taking a break from that. And I thought I would show you my Christmas 2024 art haul presents, which I absolutely love. Let me show you what I've got. I'm going to start off with this actually. Let me take those out. Nice little container. I can use it for water. I think it's a bit too nice to use for water. I think I'm going to use it to put my brush or pens in there. So I've got this already. I think I'm going to put, yes, that will work. So I'm going to put my nice brushes in there that I use all the time. And I think that's going to be better. And then I'll use this. I'll use this as a water mug. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So that's the first thing I've got. A little container. Okay, maybe I won't put them in there. I'll have a rethink. It looks really pretty anyway. I don't want to use it for water because I think the paints might ruin it, because I tend to not wash my water pots. As you can see, this one, I've got water in there, and you should change your water, but I don't change it for ages. But anyway, that's the first one. So I've got quite a few bits of paper. I asked for this because I've been meaning to try some paper for a little while. Paper is quite expensive for good quality paper. This is from Derwent Watercolor Paper. It's not, I've noticed, it's not 100% cotton paper. I don't think it is anyway. It's, I hope I say this right, I hope I pronounce it right. I think it's cellulose paper. Which means it's just produced differently at the factory. The best paper to buy for watercolours is 100% cotton, but this is going to be really good just to practice on. It's a heavyweight, acid-free white paper, and it's perfect for fine liners, mixed media. So I'm not sure if it is going to be good for watercolours, because it doesn't actually say suitable for watercolours, but it is 300 GSM, grams per square metre. If you missed it, I did explain a bit more about paper. I'll pop the link in the description box if you want to have a look at that. And I just go through some supplies specifically for beginners. Might be worth you just having a look at that. So that's that one. More paper. I've been wanting to try this for a while as well. Winsor Newton, really good paints. Absolutely love them. Beginner friendly, professional friendly, intermediate friendly, just all round friendliness from Winsor and Newton. Well established British company. They've been around for years. I've never tried their watercolor papers. Again, the same thing here. It doesn't actually say it's 100. Oh, sorry. Ignore that bit. It's 25% cotton. So like I was saying earlier, the best watercolor paper is 100% cotton paper. But it'd be interesting to try and see what the difference is between 25% and 100% cotton paper. So I'm sure I will enjoy reviewing that at another stage. This paper, okay, I didn't get this as a present. I bought this when we went shopping in the sales in a couple of weeks ago from Brighton. Love Brighton. Loads of sheets of paper, 50 sheets of paper. And what I like here, I don't think any of the papers that I've ever bought have ever said what you can use it for. So this is quite different. So it's textured paper, essential for obtaining the best from any watercolour paint. The colours will appear more vibrant and it won't cause any buckling, just to give you a brief idea. So I can't remember the name of the shop in Brighton, but this is from a brand called Zieler. I've never heard of them. It's paper from Italy, and it says highly recommended by Trisha Green, who is an artist. So it's a fine grain texture, cold pressed, 300 GSM, £140, 100% cellulose. If I'm saying the word cellulose wrong, please tell me. But that will be interesting to try as well. This is Paul Reubens, a block of paper. Again, Paul Reubens is a company I've been wanting to try for a little while. I don't have any of their paints, and I just wanted to try their paper. So this is a block piece of paper, not piece of paper, block of sheets formed in a block. Blocks are usually a little bit more expensive, and just wanted to give this a go, see what the texture is like on this. I like how you get a little piece of artwork already on there. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to use that as, but yeah, nice. It's got written on here that it is moisture proof, sun protection, preservation. It's got preservation twice for some reason, and protection. That doesn't really mean much to me at the moment until I try it and test it out and see what that is like. You also get one of these, in case you don't know what one of these is. So what happens is you basically see where the colour changes. You pop this in, and then you're supposed to sort of move this around to take the paper off. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to take it, I don't want to take the sheet off, but that's what you do. I hope that makes sense. What I'll do is when I review this, I'll actually show you how that works. I got this one with some Bao Hong paper, and it's the same principle. It just lifts the sheet off, because when you're painting on a block, it just saves you having to stretch the paper down. But anyway, that will be something that I will look forward to trying out. So, supplies, more supplies, paint supplies. I've been wanting this one for a little while, and I have actually used it already. I had to open it and try it out. It's the metallic watercolor from Winsor and Newton, and they are absolutely fantastic. Absolutely love it. I've got some other watercolor metallics, but they just don't work like this. In fact, I don't think they're watercolors. I think there's Liquitex and another brand of gold that I've got. But this, I've been wanting this for ages. It's quite pricey compared to the normal watercolors, but it is just brilliant. And I've been using this on black watercolor paper. I'll pop that series in the link if you're interested to see how this works on black watercolor paper. Haven't used them on white watercolor paper, so it'll be interesting to see how that works. You do get, I don't think I've got it in here. Oh yes, it is. You get this little piece of paper in there. Looks like space, but yeah, that comes with it as well. So been really enjoying using that. So next one, again, I'm not sure how you pronounce this. I think it's Gansai Tambi. Again, if I've said that completely wrong, please tell me, because I don't want to spend the rest of my life pronouncing things completely wrong. Gansai Tambi, I'm not sure. Gem Colors. So I haven't used these yet, but They look absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to try them. So we've got gem red, gem pink, yellow gold, that looks amazing, gem green, gem blue and gem violet. So I absolutely cannot wait to try those. I'm gonna absolutely love that. So let's get that back in the box. You don't get the plastic sheet over it to protect it, but it's amazing how it's, in fact, oh yeah, they do come out. Ah, there you go. Brilliant. They come out, so you can take them out if you want to, but I'm just going to leave them in there. So yeah, can't wait to try that out. Okay. Another one I've been wanting to try for a little while is, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this one right either. Sennelier. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad at saying stuff. Sennelier. I should have checked this on YouTube, how to actually pronounce something before doing this. I just thought I've been really wanting to do this for a while, and anyway, I'm sure you'll tell me. It's a test pack, French artist watercolour. You get 5 tubes of 10 ml. So let's open up the box, and you get one of these. Didn't get one of these with the Winsor Newton like the other ones. So you get a little information pack there, which I will enjoy looking through when I've got the right glasses on. So we've got wait there, I'm going to get my other glasses. Right, note to self, if you're going to do a video which requires a little bit of reading, have the right glasses. Okay, so that's better. I can see now. We've got lemon yellow, bright red, yeah, bright red, ultramarine deep, that's it just stops. I thought I was going to say deep blue, but it just says ultramarine. I bet that's burnt umber. No, Chinese orange. Ooh, not heard of that before. Payne's grey, love Payne's grey. So it's quite interesting. The box is really deep. Really like the tin, really light. This would actually be perfect for travelling in. You can actually get quite a few other bits and pieces in that, but I'm just going to leave that in there for the moment because I've not used it yet, and I like to keep things nice and neat until I actually start using them. The other thing that I do is I put them into pans or cakes. Some people know them as pans or cakes. And then I use them. I'll pop that in a video to explain what I mean if that's not something you're familiar with. I'll definitely show you what I mean by that. And that is everything that I've got for now. That's quite a lot. So I will be back soon to review all of these, and I cannot wait to try this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. Hope you found it useful as well. Check out my other videos if you'd like to, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye.